Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be working on class 9 polynomials exercise 2.5. We will only be solving question 1 to 5 in this video. So let's get started. First question says use suitable identities to find the following products. Now these are the 8 identities that we will be using and we will keep coming back to them as per the question. So now the first question is x plus 4 into x plus 10. So it is clearly this identity, x plus a into x plus b, which gives me x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, where my a and b are now 4 and 10. So let's get started. Okay, so let's solve the first one. Here I have x a, x b. So I get x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So this will give me x square plus 14x plus 40. That's it. And the next second part, again it is the same identity, but we can write it in this way. To give us a clear picture that my a is 8 and my b is minus 10. So now again x square plus a, now plus into minus 10, and then plus 8 into minus 10 over here x. So I get x square, 8 minus 10 is minus 2, minus 2x minus 80. Okay, so now the third part, it's also the same identity. Let's get started on it. So in the third part, I can again write it as 3x plus 4, then 3x plus bracket minus 5, and then another bracket. This becomes my a, this becomes my b. So using the identity, I get 3x whole square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So 3x whole square becomes 9x square. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 will give me minus 3x minus 20. Okay, so part 4 is a new identity which we have done in class 8th also, which says that x minus y into x plus y should give me x square minus y square. So over here I will get y square whole square minus 3 upon 2 whole square. So this gives me y raised to power 4 minus 9 by 4. Okay, so moving to part 5, I again have the same identity, x minus y into x plus y. It should give me x square minus y square. So simply we write 3 square minus 2x whole square, and it gives me 9 minus 4x square. So that's it. We have solved question number 1. Okay, next it says evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. That means it wants us to use some identity. Let's start with the first one. I can simply write it as 100 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus 7. So it becomes x plus a into x plus b. Just solved it above. So I will get 100 square plus a plus b into x, which is 100 here, plus a into b, which will be 3 into 7. So I get 10,000. 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 1,000 plus 21. So this will become 11,021. Moving to the next part. There are many ways of solving this. Some people will write it as 90 plus 5 and 90 plus 6. But I prefer 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. So my a is minus 5 and b is minus 4. So I get 100 square plus minus 5 minus 4 into 100 plus minus 5 into minus 4. So 100 square will give me 10,000. Minus and minus, so minus 900, and minus 5 into minus 4 will give me positive 20. So I can do it two ways. I can first subtract, or I can first add, whichever way you find easy. I find that addition is easier to do first. So I will get 10,020 minus 900. So 10,020 minus 900 will now give me 9,120 positive. Next, it says 104 into 96. Now, this is the third identity which we've learned last year. I can write it as 104 into 96 as 100 plus 4 bracket 100 minus 4. Let's write it a bit here so we get a clear picture. So I will get y plus x and y minus x, or x plus y and x minus y, howsoever you want to call it. So I will get 100 square minus 4 square. So which will give me 10,000 minus 16 straight away. So 10,000 minus 16, we can simply subtract now. 10,000 minus 16, which gives me 9,984. Moving to question number 3, it says factorize the following using appropriate identities. Now we can use the identities which we've learned above. So this one, it's basically completing the square as we call it. So this, let's try the first part. I can write it as 3x whole square. I can write this as y square. Now if I have a square plus b square, I must have 2ab. So let's try and check if it gives me 2ab. So 2 into my a is 3x into y. So 2 into 3 is 6xy. So yes, it is the identity. So the identity says a plus b whole square should give me a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I have this side, it will be converted to this side. So I will simply get 3x plus y whole square. Moving on to this next part. This can be written as 2y whole square plus, I can write 1 as 1 square. Now it has a negative sign, so it must be a square plus b square minus 2ab. Let's try that. Minus 2 into a is 2y into b is 1. So yes, it gives me back 4y. So it is definitely the identity of a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I have this side, it will be converted to this side. I will get 2y minus 1 whole square. Moving to the third part. Third part says we have x square minus y square upon 100. So I can rewrite it as x square minus y upon 10 whole square. So it gives me the identity of a square minus b square, which should give me a plus b into a minus b. So let's write it in the correct form. I have this, so it will get converted to this. I will get x minus y upon 10 into x plus y upon 10. So you can check the three answers now. First one is this, second is this, and the third one is this. We have completely factorized all three. Moving to the fourth part, it says expand each of the following using suitable identities. Now this year we have learned a new identity for a plus b plus c whole square. Let me just write it here. A plus b plus c whole square will give me a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. Now the order doesn't matter, you can write it in any form you like. So let's get started with the first one. So I have a as x, b as 2y and c as 4y. I will get x square plus 2y whole square plus 4z whole square plus 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into x into 4z plus 2 into 2y into 4z. So let's solve it. We will get x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 2 into 4 is 8 xz plus 16zy. Now coming to the second part, this is first. So second part, again the same identity we can use. So I will get 2x whole square plus minus y whole square plus z square plus 2 into 2x into minus y plus 2 into 2x into z plus 2 into minus y into z. So this will give me 4x square plus y square plus z square. This will give me 2 into 2, 4 minus 4y x. I can write it as minus 4xy. This will give me 4xz. And this will give me minus 2yz. To the third part, now we have minus 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus 2z whole square plus 2 into minus 2x into 3y plus 2 into 3y into 2z plus 2 into 2z into minus 2x. So this will give me 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square or z square minus 12xy, then plus 12yz minus 8xz. Moving to the fourth part, this is the third one. Now the fourth part, we will have 3a whole square plus 7b whole square plus, sorry, we'll have to put the negative sign inside, plus minus c whole square plus 2 into 3a into minus 7b plus 2 into 3a into minus c, and then plus 2 into minus 7b into minus c. So this will give me 9a square plus 49b square plus c square, and this will become 42 negative ab, and then this will become negative 6 ac. This will become positive now, because negative and negative do give us positive, so it will become 14 bc. Moving to the fifth part, let's try and solve it here itself. We will get minus 2x whole square plus 5y whole square plus minus 3z whole square plus 2 into minus 2x into 5y plus 2 into minus 2x into minus 3z plus 2 into 5y into minus 3z. So let's solve it. We will get 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square. When we multiply this, we will get minus 20xy or yx. Then this will become positive, and I will have 12xz. This will remain negative, so I will get minus 30yz. Part 6, let's try and solve it here. So I will get 1 upon 4a whole square plus minus 1 upon 2b whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 upon 4a into 1 plus 2 into 1 upon 4a into minus 1 upon 2b plus 1 upon, plus 2 into minus 1 upon 2b multiplied by 1. So this gives me 1 upon 16 a square. This will become positive also, so I will get 1 upon 4 b square plus 1. This and this will get reduced, so I will get 1 by 2a. This and this will get reduced, so I will be left with negative 1 upon 4 ab. Over here I will be left with minus b. So now you can see there are no like terms, so this will be my final answer. Okay, so the fifth question says factorize. Now we've just learned a plus b plus c whole square identity. This is based on that only, as we can see. So let's try and write it. Now if this is negative and this is also negative, whereas x and y when being multiplied are giving me positive, so it is an indication that either I can take y and x both as negative or just z as negative. So it's easier to take one than both of them. So let's get started. So I can write 4x square as 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus, now we are supposed to take it negative, so I will write it as minus 4z whole square. This will then give me plus 2 into a into b, which is 2x into 3y. Next, it should give me plus 2bc, so my b is 3y into minus 4z plus 2 into ac, which is 2x into minus 4z. So this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So it should give me a plus b plus c whole square, and then I can write it as 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. So it's been factorized. To part 2, now it is clear that 2 is not a perfect square, so I can write it as square root of 2, and 8 can also be written as 2 root 2 whole square. So remember, 8 can be written as 2 root 2 whole square. And also we can see here there's a negative and there's a negative, so that means x must be carrying the negative sign. So I can write this as negative of root 2 x whole square plus y square plus 2 root 2 z whole square plus, so 2ab, so my a is minus root 2 x into y, which is my b, plus 2bc, so 2 into b, which is y, into c, which is my 2 root 2z plus 2ac, so 2 into a is negative root 2x into my c is again 2 root 2z. So I get 2 root 2z. When I look at it, it becomes the identity a plus b plus c whole square. So my a is minus root 2 x, let's put it in a bracket, plus my b is y, plus my c is 2 root 2 z, and then I can use a square bracket and whole square. So I can remove the circular bracket and I will get, let's rewrite it in this way, y plus 2 root 2 z minus root 2 x. The order will not matter. So that's it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please do post them in the comments below. Thank you.